Did you know that nearly 60% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck? Imagine breaking that cycle with just a few clicks. In today's video, we reveal the top 5 free AI tools that can revolutionize your budgeting and put you back in control of your finances. Welcome to Smart Money AI, where we explore cutting-edge AI tools to enhance your financial life. Today, we'll dive into 5 free AI budgeting tools that analyze your spending habits, predict future expenses, and even send alerts for bills and overspending. These tools aren't just for tech-savvy users, they are designed to make budgeting accessible and effective for everyone. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable steps you can take today to start mastering your budget. Our first tool is Mint, a beloved budgeting app that uses AI to automatically categorize your spending. Mint connects securely to your bank accounts and credit cards, analyzing transactions in real time. In fact, users report saving an average of $500 a year just by using Mint to track their spending habits. Simply download the app, link your accounts, and let Mint do the heavy lifting. You'll receive insights on where your money is going, and you can even set budgets for specific categories. With Mint's AI-driven alerts, you'll be notified if you're nearing your budget limits. Next up is Personal Capital, which not only helps with budgeting but also tracks your investments. This powerful tool uses AI to project your net worth and forecast future expenses. What's impressive is that it combines budgeting with investment tracking, allowing you to see how your spending affects your long-term financial goals. Simply sign up for free, link your accounts, and start using their retirement planner feature. It analyzes your income, expenses, and investment performance to help you set realistic savings goals. Users have reported a 20% increase in their retirement savings after utilizing this tool. Coming in at number 3 is YNAB, which stands for You Need a Budget. YNAB utilizes AI to help you allocate every dollar you earn, ensuring that you have a plan for your spending. The app encourages users to follow the 4 rules of budgeting, which helps you take control of your finances. With features like real-time expense tracking and goal setting, YNAB has been shown to help users save an average of $6,000 in their first year. The best part? They offer a free trial, after which you can decide if it's worth the investment. At number 4, we have Wally, an intuitive budgeting app that tracks your expenses and income using AI technology. Wally allows you to scan receipts and categorize expenses effortlessly. Users appreciate Wally's ability to provide personalized insights and spending patterns. The app also offers a feature that predicts your monthly expenses based on historical data, helping you create a more accurate budget. On average, users find they can cut their discretionary spending by up to 30% after using Wally for just a few months. Download Wally today and start tracking where your money goes. Finally, let's talk about GoodBudget, a virtual envelope budgeting system that helps you manage your money effectively. This tool uses AI to analyze your spending patterns and offers alerts when you're close to overspending in any category. What sets GoodBudget apart is its simplicity. You can create virtual envelopes for different spending categories and allocate funds to them. Users have reported saving up to 25% more because they can visually see how much money they have left in each category. Start using GoodBudget today to make budgeting straightforward and effective. So far, we've explored some fantastic AI tools for budgeting. To recap, Mint categorizes your spending, Personal Capital predicts future expenses, YNAB allocates every dollar, Wally scans receipts, and GoodBudget uses a virtual envelope system. Each of these tools offers unique benefits that can help you take control of your finances. Remember, the key is to choose a tool that fits your personal style and financial goals. Now that you know about these amazing tools, let's discuss how to get started with AI budgeting today. First, choose one or two of the tools that resonate with you. Download the app or sign up on their website. Take some time to link your accounts securely and explore the features available. Set realistic budgets based on your income and spending habits, and don't forget to set reminders for bill payments. If you're finding this helpful, hit that subscribe button and bell icon so you don't miss our weekly AI finance tips. Once you've set everything up, it's crucial to regularly track and adjust your budget. Most of these AI tools provide real-time updates and insights into your spending habits, making it easier to identify areas where you can cut back. For instance, if you notice you're spending too much on dining out, you can adjust your budget accordingly. Remember, budgeting is not a set-it-and-forget-it process. It's about being proactive and making adjustments to stay on track with your financial goals. Another fantastic feature of these AI budgeting tools is the alerts and notifications they offer. Set up reminders for upcoming bills, and get notified when you're nearing your budget limits. This proactive approach can prevent late fees and overdraft charges, saving you money in the long run. For example, if you have a recurring subscription, you can set alerts several days in advance to remind you to check if you still need it. By staying informed, you can keep your finances in check and avoid unnecessary expenses. In conclusion, utilizing AI tools for budgeting can drastically change your financial landscape. By streamlining your budgeting process and providing personalized insights, these tools empower you to take control of your spending. Remember, the journey to financial stability takes time and effort, but with the right tools and mindset, you can achieve your goals. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe to Smart Money AI for more money-saving AI strategies every week. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who could benefit from these amazing AI budgeting tools. Comment below with your favorite budgeting app or any tips you have for managing finances. We love hearing from you. Your financial journey starts today, so take action and start budgeting smartly. Thank you for watching. We hope you're excited to implement these AI tools into your budgeting strategy. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore more innovative ways to save and invest your money. Until next time, keep your finances smart and secure.